Hi, I'm Sam, one of the co-founders of InfinityFlow, and today we're going to be talking about politics.
What? No, you're talking about the versatility of the S1.
This definitely says politics. Okay, whatever. Versatility? Come on, follow me. In print farms, versatility is key. You want all of your add-ons working together seamlessly. Follow me to our testing facility. Welcome to the testing lab. We made the S1 so you can put it in almost any position. You can set it on the table, mount it on the ceiling, or even mount it on the wall and use your standard filament holders. If you take a look over here, there are multiple mounting hole locations on the S1, both on the side and on the bottom. The dimensions for the holes will be on our GitHub page, as well as the CAD files for all the mounts that we've created, such as the wall mount shown earlier. And we really encourage you to get creative and make your own mounts and share them on our GitHub forum. Along with this, it looks like and think that we should add a dry box. Well, you're in luck. Because the S1 can be mounted anywhere, you can add a dry box of your own. And here we have our dry box, which keeps our filament really dry.
Why is there water in there?
I'm under the water.
To set it up, all you need to do is take the Bowden tube out of the gearbox and attach the Bowden tube from the dry box. And now you'll never have to worry about moist filament again. All that's great, but the best part is the S1 requires no firmware changes and can hook up to any printer on the market. Here's how it works. First, you load the filament into the gearbox, which usually takes about 5 seconds. Then it gets pulled into the printer. As you can see, it's running through the Bowden tube towards the printer's extruder. Next, load a second roll of filament into the other gearbox. Now, when the filament runs out, the S1 will detect the runout and automatically load the next roll. Now, while we wait for the print to finish, back to politics.
No.
Look how smooth it is.
Bro, we're filming.
As you can see, there's no transition point where the filament changed. Hopefully this helps you understand a bit more about the versatility of the S1 and how it can fit into your setup so you stop having filament nightmares.
Now we return you to our regular scheduled program.
We bring the boom!